This is my Costa Rica story. Over the years, I have heard a lot about the beauty of Costa Rica. But after visiting here, I can tell you, this is one of a kind place. I have never seen such a green place like this, so I was just blown away by its greenery. For me, Costa Rica has just redefined the definition of color green.
We are going to go to a lodge.
This was sort of a surprise trip for me, as Simi planned out everything. So I was not too excited initially, and just a night before I came to know the eco lodge where we are staying is mainly reachable via river rafting.
Forward, forward, forward! Stop!
We have finally reached to the Pacuare Lodge here in Costa Rica. Hi, I'm Simi.
Simi, nice to meet you. Here we are in Pacuare Lodge. How was the hike?
Terrible.
Terrible?
Easy, easy,
Smiling.
easy. No, please, easy.
Despacito.
No.
Like a roller coaster.
No, roller coaster.
I
rural tour, and I am super excited we are going to meet his family. Since the lodge is in the middle of the jungle, most of the people who work here live in the nearby village, which is roughly 2 hours away, and that's where we are heading. Can you believe this is the only way to cross the river and reach to the lodge if you are not coming via river rafting? Now this is one of my favorite parts of traveling. That is to interact with locals and see how they see life and get their perspective. Understanding what locals go through here has given me a totally different perspective. Talking to them and learning about their experiences, for me, this is what traveling is all about.
Almost 2 hours. You can see it's raining right now. So now we're gonna meet the people and have some amazing lunch with them.
Right, here we are at the Louis home. We are enjoying the wonderful lunch. Today, we are heading towards a waterfall, which is just a short hike away from here. A lot of people have called this place as a hidden gem, so I'm very curious to check this out. Wow! I can't explain you how pure and crisp water was here, so I totally agree with others. Yes, it's a hidden gem. This is where our trip took an interesting turn, when my drone crashed. First, let's see the crash again. This is where I was flying from, and that's how it crashed. I notified the lodge staff about this crash, and to my surprise, this was not something they have not heard before. They said they will try to see if they can locate with their powerful binoculars, and that's how the rescue mission started. Just to give you a lay of land, this is how this place looks. Now finding the drone in this dense forest is almost next to impossible. But just with this little information about the line of flight, the rescue team was able to find the drone in record 6 to 7 hours. Frankly speaking, the Pacuare Lodge staff could have easily ignored my problem. But they just went out of the way and carried out the full search. Just thanking them was not enough, and that's where I decided I need to tell this story to everyone about the wonderful people here at this eco lodge.
Chóquela también.
With lot of sweet memories, time has come to check out.
Okay, Chantu and Semi, you going from? You're gonna be the leaders. You have to paddle hard, remember, okay? Second part is the battle. Forward. Forward, Chantu, come on. Pull on the right side. Come on, forward. Forward. Stop. Stop. Forward. Stop. Hot fire, hot fire, hot fire. High five, team! Oh, man! High five, team!
And now, this brings towards the end of the trip. Last few days were just out of the world. I have never imagined that I will be able to experience all this, and I'm truly grateful for it. And this trip has left me with so many memories that will stay with me for a long, long time. And these are the moments we live for. Correct? Pura vida.